Leading Case 40 Shakti Vahini Verur, Union of India Others, 2018, 3 SCR 770, 2018, 7 SCC 192. Did you know that in 2018, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the right to live with dignity includes the right to a safe and secure environment, giving a major boost to women's rights and empowerment. In a landmark judgment that sent shockwaves across the nation, Shakti Vahini emerged victorious against the Union of India in a historic 2018 case. This pivotal court battle marked a significant milestone in the fight for justice and human rights. Watch as we delve into the intricacies of this groundbreaking case, exploring the events that led up to the verdict and the profound impact it has had on the country. Discover the key arguments presented by both sides, the court's reasoning, and the aftermath of the decision. This video provides an in-depth analysis of the case, shedding light on the importance of such legal victories in shaping the nation's future. Tune in to learn more about this remarkable triumph and its enduring legacy. Introduction: Shakti Vahini v. Union of India Others, 2018, 3 SCR 770, 2018, 7 SCC 192 is a landmark judgment by the Supreme Court of India that addressed the contentious issue of honor killings and other forms of violence perpetrated in the name of family or community honor. The petition was filed by Shakti Vahini, an NGO working against violence on women, seeking protective measures for couples who marry against the wishes of their community or family. Facts: the petition highlighted numerous instances where individuals, particularly women, were subjected to severe violence and even murder, often labeled as honor killings by family members or caste-based community groups for choosing partners outside their caste or religion. The NGO sought intervention from the Supreme Court to establish preventive measures, protection protocols, and to enforce legal accountability for such acts. Issues raised: 1. Whether the practice of honor killings and communal violence against individuals choosing their marital partners infringes upon their fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution. The role of law enforcement and the state in protecting individuals from honor crimes. Contention of the parties. Petitioner, Shakti Vahini, argued that honor killings and related violence are brutal infringements on the fundamental rights to life, liberty, and freedom of choice in marriage. They contended that these practices are against the constitutional rights and sought directions for preventive measures and legal reforms. Respondents, Union of India and others. The state and central governments acknowledged the issues and expressed commitment to uphold the law protecting individuals' rights, but pointed to challenges in enforcement at the local level. Critical analysis of the case. This case delved into the intersection of cultural practices and fundamental rights, exploring how traditional norms can sometimes come into conflict with constitutional liberties. The judgment emphasized the supremacy of individual rights and the state's duty to protect these rights against societal pressures. Other judgments discussed in the case and their ratio. With citation, the court referred to several previous judgments concerning individual rights, particularly those related to marriage and choice. Key references included decisions that reinforced the right to personal liberty and freedom of choice in matrimonial matters. Opinion of judges. The judges strongly opined that the autonomy of an individual in matters of marriage is fundamental and protected under the Constitution. They declared that any group or assembly infringing upon these rights under the guise of protecting honor is unlawful and punishable. Direction. The Supreme Court issued several directives: establishment of preventive, remedial, and punitive measures to combat honor crimes. States were directed to form special cells in police departments to provide protection to couples facing threats. Fast-track courts were recommended for speedy trials in cases of honor killings. Educational drives to emphasize the illegality of such acts and the rights of individuals. Finding of the court. The court found that honor killings and related violence are not only illegal, but barbaric and against the constitutional fabric of India. It held that the freedom of choice in marriage is part of the right to life and liberty. Final judgment. The judgment reinforced the legal framework against honor crimes and set forth comprehensive guidelines for state and central governments to implement measures protecting individuals' rights to choose their life partners. Conclusion. Shakti Vahini, Vui. Union of India. Others serves as a pivotal case in safeguarding individual rights against communal and cultural practices that violate constitutional liberties. The judgment stands as a testament to the role of the judiciary in protecting fundamental rights and setting a precedent.